you guys, welcome back to my channel. It is currently Monday, February 6th at 6:26 p.m. I just ate dinner and I am going to jump in the shower. I wanted to start this video here. Today was kind of a chill Monday. There really wasn't much to do. I was just working on schoolwork and I had a doctor's appointment for my dog Finn. I have some laundry to do and just plan for tomorrow because my internship starts back up and I will be working the next 3 days. So I just want to make sure I have everything for that. Okay, so I obviously just got out of the shower. I took a body shower because I blew my hair out last night with the Dyson. I definitely need to go over it tomorrow morning. That's another thing that's new in my life. I just started an internship. It's actually so fun. I love what I'm doing. It's like fashion, marketing, branding, PR. It's honestly a bunch of stuff, but it's a lot of fun. I get to work from home, which is really nice because I feel like I have a lot of time to do social media stuff and get content done for brands that I need to. Every Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday until May. So that's definitely a shift in my schedule, but I really like working. I think I'm kind of over school at this point in my educational journey. I'm also very grateful that I get to do social media stuff as well on the side and make an income for myself because this is something I've done like completely on my own and am building it from the bottom up. I try to balance it between work, school, and then social media stuff as best as I can. By the way, this Bali Body Gradual Tan stuff is like my favorite thing ever. I just mixed it in with a little bit of my serum and then put it on my face and neck before I use my eye cream. This eye cream is from Glow Recipe. It is the avocado melt eye cream. And I really like this one as well. It doesn't irritate my eyes. Some eye creams make me like have little hives under my eyes. I don't understand why, but for my body, I'm gonna use the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. I am obsessed with this stuff. It smells like salted caramel and also like the ocean and like coconuts. I don't even know, it just smells amazing. I always put this on after I shower because I have like the driest skin ever after I shower or come out of the ocean or the pool or like anytime my body is in water, it just dries up. Okay, so now I'm just going to change really quick, put on some comfy clothes. I have so much laundry to do. My room is a mess, but part of getting unready is doing my laundry so it's ready for the next day. I have a big bin of laundry here that we're gonna do right after I get dressed. I will see you in a second. So it's 10:07 right now. I just finished straightening up my room a little bit, but I really want to bake the Valentine's Day cookies that I have. They're little heart-shaped sugar cookies. The ones you get from the grocery store. They're the best. They have Christmas ones, Halloween ones. They have like all different holiday ones. So I'm gonna fold my clothes when they come out of the dryer, but in the meantime, we can go downstairs and bake some cookies. I want to do a little face mask before I go to sleep. I'm going to use the Innisfree Pore Cleansing Mask. I know I did my skincare already, but I just feel like my skin needs a mask. I haven't used a clay mask in such a long time. My skin's been really dry, so I've been using more like hydrating masks. If I'm like staring into the camera weird, it's because I'm using this as a mirror as well. So I kind of just put it in my T-zone everywhere I get oily, and I'm gonna just let this sit for like 10 to 15 minutes, wash it off, and I will be back. I literally cannot go to bed if I don't have water next to me. So that's it for this Get Unready with me. I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, comment down below any videos you want to see from me, or if you have any ideas for me to film. I'm gonna watch a little bit of Netflix and then fall asleep. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram so we can keep in touch. And I will see you in the next video.